I just got back from the grocery store. I got a bunch of fruits, bags of fruits to demonstrate. What a great day. They even had bath tissue. Whoever thought that would be something to celebrate? But first, a question, a demonstration. One of these bags contains a seed, and one of the bags contains a fruit. Like I said, there's a fruit in one of the bags, and a seed in the other. A seed in one of the bags, fruit in the other bag. Question, which bag has the seed? Which bag has the fruit? Let's find out. What's in here? Oh, why, of course. This is the bag with the fruit. This fruit, this sunflower seed, is a fruit. It's a ripened ovary containing a seed. You can crack it open, and the seed's inside. It's a fruit. It's a kind of a fruit called an achene. What's in here? All right. This is heartbreaking to me, because this is supposed to be a more dramatic demonstration than it can be. Imagine this is a coconut. Maybe we can get some technology to do deep fakes and turn this into a coconut, because a coconut is a seed. And then the coconut is not available in the grocery store right now. And there's a coconut in 30 Jennings, the room where we normally have this class. And I tried really hard. I asked the department chair, please, can I get in Jennings? He said no. But this would be the coconut fruit. And another version of that is the best we can do. This is the pit, if you will, of an avocado. The avocado is a fruit. It's kind of a drupe. This is a seed, kind of a big seed. Let's learn about some of the different kinds of fruits. Now, the grocery store isn't the place where all the fruits are. It's a place where the ones that we're familiar with are. A lot of what we really care about is wild plants, but things that we can relate to, things we've had some experience with, they occur in the grocery store. So let's take a look at some of the, well, we can do it in the same order that we learn the fruits in lecture. First, learning about dry fruits that are indehiscent, that do not split open to release their seeds. And we'll look through a sort of a magnified view. One-seeded dry indehiscent fruits, grocery style. There's two obvious ones here and one not so obvious one. The aforementioned achenes that are exemplified by the sunflower, quote, seed, unquote. Popcorn. Popcorn is a grain. And the pericarp, the ovary wall, and the seed are very tightly adherent. Here we have fennel, quote, seed, quote, unquote. I think I had too many quotes there. And what it is a schizocarp. What we're going to do is take a close look at this, which is kind of nicely illustrated in the label. Let's look at it close up in real life. Well, here for comparison are the achene from the sunflower seed, quote, unquote, and the grain, or caryopsis, in the grass family. But what we really want to pay attention to is this fennel seed, quote, unquote. And what you can sort of deduce is that they sort of have a concave side and a flat side. That's because they initially were sort of an oval-shaped thing that, in cross-section, that split apart into two one-seeded units. And it's a schizocarp, called a split fruit. Each one of these is a half of what originally was one ovary with two carpels. And they disperse kind of resembling achenes or grains, but they originate from a Syncarpus gynoecium. It's called a schizocarp, a split fruit. Here in my neighborhood, like a lot of neighborhoods, there's a lot of maple trees around. My neighbor has this red maple tree, and if we walk over here and look around beneath the red maple tree, here we see some samaras. Actually, these samaras are really big. I think they're from a silver maple tree. But next to it, there's a smaller one. I think it's from the red, that one there, from the red maple tree. Probably that one. There's a red maple and a silver maple samara right next to each other. Samaras, they're like achenes with wings. They're ways for trees to disperse their fruits with the help of the atmosphere.